what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. So happy that you are here. How are you guys all doing today? I hope that you guys are doing well. So today we are going to be talking about the new Carli Bybel X Makiage collab. This is a face palette and we also have a nude lip combo. So I'm going to be testing it out and reviewing it for you. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so taking out the face palette out of the unit carton, this is what the unit carton looks like. I like that Makiage did a whole ingredient list on the back of the unit carton. And then on the actual packaging of the unit, it actually has the names on it. So we have Constellation, Aquarius, Capricorn, and Gaia, I believe that's pronounced. So we have beautiful packaging. It's marble, but it's very Carli Bybel brand because she loves the marble packaging. But instead of going the white route, I saw that she talked about she wanted to go more like Galaxy Interstellar status. So we have the blue, really pretty blue. It's like a navy. And then as you open it up, this is the blush. I will mention that the complexion palette, the face palette, comes in three face complexion options. So we have light, medium, and deep. So we have a blush right here. We have the highlight, a bronzer topper is what it looks like, and the bronzer itself. And then she also came out with her famous lip combo, which I have never tried before. So this is my first time trying. This is the popular lip combo, which is Libra and Luna. So let me take it out of the unit carton, as well as the lip liner. The lip liner is also a nude. She did come out with a mauve lip combo tone, which I did not pick up, but that is an option also that she came out with this collab. And also two brushes, I believe, was part of this collab. So this is a lip liner. This is in the shade, like I said, Luna. And then we have the nude lipstick in the shade Libra. So that's the nude lipstick in the shade Libra. So look at this packaging. It has a bunch of stars and galaxy imprinted on the actual lipstick itself. Really nice. I feel like it's well thought out and a lot of detail was put into this lipstick. So that's pretty. And then I'm getting like Estee Lauder vibes with this packaging for some reason with the lip liner. First impressions, because I do want to just kind of point some things out, being super picky right off the bat with packaging. I do notice that there's a lot of gapping. I feel like the actual pan palettes are not the biggest for the price point, but again, I do see why they have they did think of putting a lot of detail around it, but it is quite big. So if you were to picture it next to my head, it is quite big. It is kind of bulky, so it would be a little bit heavy to travel with. But other than that, I just wanted to point that out. And then it does come with a nice full size mirror inside, really large. So I do appreciate that, being that the palette is so big as it is itself. So the face palette, getting into the face palette. So the face palette retails for $54 itself. And they do have a bundle, which is what I picked up, the option of the face palette, whichever complexion shade you want, and then you can get the lipstick and the liner. So that bundle retailed for $79 for the three options, which you do save some money because the liners itself are $17 and the lipsticks are $22. So you do save money just buying the whole bundle if you're interested in that. So I'm going to pick up this shade right here. This is the bronzer. And then in comparison to my brush and the palette, see how it's perfect size for my brush, but it is quite small. So let's test this out because I am looking pretty pale. Okay, so this bronzer has a lot of golden, almost red undertones, which I don't usually lean towards, but it's nice for a good golden bronzy look, especially for the summer. It's really nice to have those rose undertones. Okay, I feel like that gave me a nice contoured golden look to the face. It definitely add a lot of warmth to the face. So I'm going to be adding this topper. What is this? This is like a highlight. It honestly looks like a highlight now looking at it. So this is the shade Capricorn, right? Capricorn right here in the shade. And then this is the bronze. Let me swatch the bronzer. The bronzer is actually quite nice. It looks a lot more cool tone on the hand. I was gonna say finger. On the hand versus, well, it just looks a little bit more neutral on the hand versus my actual face. So you see that? And then this looks like, I don't know if that's technically a bronzer highlighter, just because it is very, very, not glittery, but it has a lot of sheen to it. So you see that? Here. And then we have, let me swatch everything for you. Let me swatch the blush. We have the blush here, and then we have the highlight. The highlight looks really, really pretty. It's like my type of, it's usually what I gravitate towards. It's like that nice, cool, pearly, yet champagne highlighter. So I do enjoy the highlighter option. So this is the highlight, and then here we have the blush, sorry. But this looks really weird. I don't know, it looks almost like, I don't know, we'll test it out. Let's put on the blush. Ooh, that's really, really pink. A lot more pink than I would normally typically go for, but really nice and girly. I don't know how well it's gonna look with my, I don't know how well and cohesive it's gonna look with this eye look that I have right now going on, but it's really pigmented. I'll give it that. Okay, so the blush is actually really, really pink, a lot more pink than I would like. So I'm just gonna grab my powder brush and blend that out, because you really don't need much when it comes to this blush. But it is really pretty. Now let's go in with my highlight. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the highlight. So this is my ideal type of highlighter shade. So hopefully it looks just as pretty on the face. I like it because I feel like with this type of highlighter, you can actually go very light if you want like a soft sheen and glow to the face, or you can go all out and layer it, which I like, because sometimes you just don't want that very strong bang like right off the bat. So this one, see how it's giving me a nice little glow on the chin, but if I really want to intensify it, I can just go back and apply more, which I like. And as far as the highlight test, so if you look straight forward to the camera and you don't see a like streak or strike on your face, then you pass the highlighter test. So you want to typically go for a highlighter that does not show when you're looking straight forward. You shouldn't see any highlighter, should not be detectable on the face. So I do see that this one passes, because if I look straight in the mirror, I don't actually see any highlighter until I actually tilt the face sideways. So that's really nice. I do like that it matched my complexion, being that I did choose something called light, because I am like a light medium skin tone, but I'm not really that light when it comes to the scale of the lightest of complexions. Let's move on to my most exciting thing I think that I picked up out of this collection is the lip combo, because I'm such a nude lipstick fan. So let's try this liner. Okay, this lip liner is stunning because it's very like caramel nude brown. It's like a caramel nude brown, and I actually surprisingly don't have anything like this. It's really pretty, and I like that it's creamy and buttery. I wanted to say that as I was applying my lip liner, but there's no way I can apply lip liner and talk at the same time. It's impossible for me. So I do like the lip liner so far. Let's try this. And then the packaging, I like that it's just like a magnetic closure. Like boom, quick and easy, put it in your purse, or in my case, the diaper bag. But I like that. Like you're not trying to like click it and make sure that it's well sealed and closed. It's just the little things that make things much easier. But that lipstick, I'm in love. I will say, if there's anything in this collection that I say go and run out and get, is that lip combo. It's amazing. Like I said, she did come out with a mauve a duo, like a lipstick and a liner, but I'm not really a fan of a nude mauve. I just feel like it doesn't really suit well with a lot of looks, or I don't know, just the way it looks. So I did not pick that up. But if you're into nude and having that mauve undertone, then check that out. But I think they do have a combo, actually. They do have a combo of the 2 lip liners and 2 liquid lipsticks. 2 lipsticks, if you're interested. So she came out with different little bundles to save money if you're not interested in just one particular item. So that was really nice and thoughtful. Okay, so that is pretty much it from what I picked up from the Il Makiage X Carli Bybel collection. So all in all, I think that the palette is a little, I don't know, I feel like it's a little pricey for the amount of product you're getting, if that makes sense. I'm just being very picky, but I do feel like the pans are quite small. But all in all, the formulas are really nice. The only thing I did not like is this bronzer. I think it's a baked bronzer. I feel like you can either go with this, or you can just go in with a baked bronzer just to have maybe like a bronze sheen to the skin, but I wouldn't necessarily add a blush or highlight in my case. Oh, I almost dropped that. Okay, but I was getting nervous. Okay, so this bronzer is not my favorite, but if you like baked bronzers, definitely is really nice. It does have a nice smooth feeling to it. It's not drying, so I do like that. This blush is super pigmented, so just be careful in the blushes that you apply little by little. Word to the wise. So that definitely was a nice blush. For me, the my two favorite things in this palette are the highlight and bronzer. So this bronzer is nice because even though I don't really technically gravitate to like rosy undertones, more like that golden-y undertone bronzer, I do really like it because it gives me that very nice sun-kissed warm bronze look for the summer. So I do like this bronzer. And then the highlight was like perfect. It was on point for my complexion. It blended well nicely into the skin. I don't find it having any like streaky patchiness, and like I said, it's a really nice highlighter. As far as the lip liner and lipstick, I will say it again, I think that you should go most definitely run and get these. I mean, I haven't tried the mauve combo, but it's making me want to pick it up, even though I don't really like mauve nudes. But this is going to be most definitely be like one of my go-to lip combo situations because it is really good. Like, there's a reason why this came back, because it was so darn good and people were hyping it up. Sold out, and now she brought it back. So I'm so happy that I was able to try it this time around. So that is it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini review tutorial try on of this collaboration. I was really excited to get my hands on this bundle. I definitely recommend you getting like a bundle to save money, because it can get a little pricey if you're getting everything individually. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already, so you don't miss out on a video. My next video will be either my full face of e.l.f. There's some new e.l.f. products I want to try on here on camera. And I also have the Falscara by Kiss lashes. I'm really excited to try those. They are comparable to like lashes extensions, except you don't have to commit. So I like that. So don't forget to subscribe, like I said, if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.